Blockchain technology is reshaping financial markets. Goldman Sachs is actively discussing the potential spin-off of its blockchain-based technology platform, GS DAP, with prospective partners. This move signifies a significant shift in the bank's strategy, aiming to transform GS DAP into an industry-owned platform that leverages blockchain technology. The goal is to create a distributed ecosystem designed to streamline institutional trading and significantly shorten settlement times. Meanwhile, the UK government is consulting with the financial industry on the best features for a pilot project involving government bonds using distributed ledger technology, DLT, set to launch in 2024. This digital bond pilot will be traded through a digital securities sandbox regulated by the Bank of England and the Financial Conduct Authority. The r/cryptocurrency community on Reddit has partnered with Unstoppable Domains to launch the first community-based .moon blockchain domain. This domain allows community members to establish digital identities and interact with over 865 blockchain applications and wallets. Overall, blockchain technology is profoundly impacting traditional financial markets. Banks, governments, and communities are actively exploring how to leverage this technology to reshape the financial ecosystem, enhancing efficiency, transparency, and inclusivity. In the coming years, the application of blockchain in the financial sector will continue to expand, triggering significant changes in the industry landscape. Here is a briefing based on multiple articles provided. November 20, 2024 Ethereum and Token Dynamics Briefing. Ethereum breaks key levels, is a bullish trend ahead? Ethereum's price has surpassed the 100-day and 200-day moving averages, breaking through the psychological resistance at $3,000, indicating strong upward momentum. Following the breach of the 200-day moving average at $2,900, market optimism surged, although resistance near $3,600 could lead to a short-term pullback. After any pullback, a retest of the $3,000 support may occur. The rally that began around $2,400 has broken a previous bearish flag pattern, reflecting a notable shift in market sentiment. Despite a high funding rate in the futures market, there remains a certain level of volatility risk. Token prices continue to rise. Is TRX poised for a surge? The market capitalization of Token has surpassed $16 billion for the first time, with a weekly increase of over 10%, rising from $0.1652 to $0.1848, reflecting strong upward momentum. Technical analysis shows that Token is forming a classic triangle consolidation pattern, with resistance around $0.177. Such patterns typically lead to breakouts, and with strong buying support, the likelihood of an upward breakout is high. Although investors are taking profits, demand remains robust, keeping prices near recent highs. The rise of Block DAG, ushering in a new era for blockchain. Block DAG combines directed acyclic graph (DAG) architecture with proof of work (POW) mechanisms, standing out in scalability and security. The project's pre-sale has progressed smoothly, raising $123.5 million and attracting over 170,000 holders. The price of BDAG has surged from $0.001 to $0.0234, achieving an astonishing 2,240% return. The upcoming expiration of the Bullrun 100 discount code offers investors double BDAG holdings and airdrop rights, presenting an excellent opportunity to capitalize on the rise of Block DAG. In summary, both Ethereum and Token exhibit strong upward potential, but Block DAG, with its innovative technology and rapid growth, is particularly noteworthy as a dark horse. For cryptocurrency investors, seizing these opportunities will be crucial. November 20, 2024 Bitcoin Market Briefing. 1. The cryptocurrency market has overall declined, with investors showing reduced risk appetite, influenced by the Federal Reserve's cautious stance. 2. Bitcoin briefly broke $91,000 in early trading but ultimately closed at $90,085.28, down 0.76%. Ethereum showed a similar trend, falling from $3,160 to $3,119.31, down 0.88%. 3. The total liquidation in the cryptocurrency market reached $373 million, with long positions losing over $258 million. Bitcoin futures open interest rose by 0.78%, with funding rates remaining positive, indicating a bullish dominance. 4. The cryptocurrency Fear Greed Index dropped from 90 to 83, reflecting a weakening market sentiment. 5. Analysts believe that if Bitcoin can close above $91,900, it may break through to $100,000. If a pullback occurs, key support levels are $85,800 to $83,250 and $75,520 to $72,880. 6. The Bhutanese government recently sold 367 bitcoins through Binance, cashing out approximately $33.5 million, while still holding 12,206 bitcoins valued at around $1.11 billion, ranking 5th among global government holdings. 7. Other countries, such as El Salvador and the United States, are also actively embracing Bitcoin, benefiting through legislation or asset allocation. Overall, despite short-term volatility in the cryptocurrency market, long-term interest and participation from governments and investors in Bitcoin continue to grow, indicating a promising outlook for the industry. November 20, 2024 briefing. Topic: Solana price surge and emerging meme coin projects. Key information points. 1. Solana, SOL, has recently seen a significant price increase, breaking new highs and attracting widespread market attention. The SOL price rose 16% over the past week, reaching $240.47 per coin, driven by record transaction fees and revenues generated by applications like Radium and Pump.Fun within the Solana ecosystem. 2. The nominal total open interest in the Solana derivatives market has surpassed $5.5 billion, setting a new historical high, reflecting investor optimism towards Solana. This is linked to the anticipated victory of Republican presidential candidate Trump, who has expressed support for the cryptocurrency industry and is expected to ease regulations. 3. The emerging meme coin Bonk has recently performed exceptionally well, with its price skyrocketing 96% within a week, reaching a market capitalization of $4 billion. As a member of the Solana ecosystem, Bonk's price movements are closely correlated with Solana. Bonk also plans to burn 1 trillion tokens before Christmas, further driving up its price. 4. Another noteworthy new project is Pepe Unchained, which has raised over $35 million in crowdfunding and plans to list on top exchanges within 25 days. Pepe Unchained is an Ethereum Layer 2-based meme coin ecosystem featuring various innovative functions such as tax-free trading and liquidity locking, attracting a large number of early investors. In summary, Solana's price continues to strengthen, drawing significant market attention. Meanwhile, emerging meme coins like Bonk and Pepe Unchained are also favored by investors, demonstrating strong growth potential. The development of these projects warrants close observation. November 20, 2024 briefing. Bitcoin regains leadership in the NFT market. Summary. Recently, the trading volume of NFTs on the Bitcoin network has surged, surpassing Ethereum and Solana, reclaiming its position as the leader in the NFT market. Data shows that in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin-based NFT transactions reached $7.2 million, a 7.79% increase from the previous day, while Ethereum and Solana's NFT transaction volumes were $6.4 million and $3.8 million, respectively. Highlights of the Bitcoin NFT market. 1. BRC20 NFT series, $3.5 million in trading volume over the past 24 hours, a 6% increase from the previous day, currently leading the Bitcoin NFT market. 2. Uncategorized NFT series, $521,354 in trading volume over the past 24 hours, a 73% increase from the previous day, ranking second. 3. Bitcoin Puppets NFT series, $505,870 in trading volume over the past 24 hours, a 24% increase from the previous day, ranking third. 4. NodeMonkey's NFT series, $500,702 in trading volume over the past 24 hours, a 141% increase from the previous day, ranking 4th. 5. Runestone's NFT series, $357,767 in trading volume over the past 24 hours, a 25% increase from the previous day, ranking 5th. In summary, the Bitcoin NFT market has recently shown strong performance, particularly with significant increases in trading volumes for series like BRC20 and uncategorized, allowing Bitcoin to reclaim its leadership in the NFT market, surpassing Ethereum and Solana. This trend is worth close attention. November 20, 2024 Briefing, Vitalik Buterin and the Praxis Network Nation Plan. Key information points. 1. Starknet has launched version 0.13.3, significantly reducing blob gas fees in Ethereum's Layer 2 scaling solution, which Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin praised on social media. 2. Praxis is a network nation startup seeking a physical base, having recently raised $525 million. Founder Dryden Brown previously attempted to collaborate with the Greenland government to establish a new city on the island as a prototype for Praxis. 3. Praxis advocates an internet-first ideology and has attracted numerous hardware entrepreneurs. Founder Brown believes this ambitious city-building plan embodies heroism and courage among Americans and sees former President Trump as creating a favorable environment for such projects. In summary, this article reports on Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin's support for Starknet's Layer 2 scaling solution and the developments of Praxis, a network nation startup seeking a physical base. Praxis plans to establish a new city in Greenland, reflecting its founder's aspiration for American pioneering spirit, with the belief that former President Trump has created a favorable environment for such ambitious projects. The entire article reflects the potential and challenges of blockchain technology in driving social change. November 20, 2024 Briefing. Topic: Changpeng Zhao. Summary. 1. Following Trump's election as president, officials and politicians for the Cryptocurrency Capital Initiative are being selected to prepare for cryptocurrency policies during his term. 2. The bankrupt cryptocurrency company FTX is now suing the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, in an attempt to recover $1.76 billion. 3. The cryptocurrency market continues to rise, with Bitcoin reaching a new high of $93,000. Other cryptocurrencies like XRP and Dogecoin are also performing well. In summary, the new Trump administration is preparing for cryptocurrency policies, while the legal dispute between FTX and Binance has also drawn attention. Meanwhile, the overall cryptocurrency market is showing an upward trend, with Bitcoin hitting new highs and other major cryptocurrencies performing well. This information reflects that the cryptocurrency industry is in a rapid development phase, with regulatory and market changes warranting close observation. Briefing. In 2012, Brian Armstrong founded Coinbase as part of the cryptocurrency movement against the existing financial powers of Wall Street and Washington, D.C. Today, the startup Armstrong founded has become a publicly traded company and a flagship brand in the rapidly maturing cryptocurrency industry. Meanwhile, Armstrong has begun to exert influence in other areas, investing over $50 million, both his own funds and Coinbase, to pressure lawmakers to create more favorable rules for cryptocurrencies. He maintains connections with the most influential networks in Silicon Valley and has embraced the latest trend, investing millions in longevity startups. Nevertheless, Armstrong remains committed to his original vision of using blockchain technology to create a new economic and social order. Briefing. Escalation of the Ukraine war. U.S. allows Ukraine to use long-range missiles to attack inside Russia. Main content. 1. The U.S. will allow Ukraine to use American-provided long-range weapons, such as ATACMS missiles, to strike targets within Russia. This has been a long-standing request from Ukraine, hoping to weaken Russia's air superiority and logistical supply lines. 2. ATACMS missiles have a range of up to 300 kilometers, far exceeding Ukraine's current weapons, allowing for precise strikes on Russian military targets such as airfields, munitions depots, and communication centers. This could force Russia to redeploy military forces, complicating its response. 3. However, experts believe this decision will not fundamentally change the course of the war. The number of ATACMS missiles is limited and cannot address Ukraine's primary threat, Russia's long-range guided bombs. Additionally, if strikes are limited to the Kursk region, Russia may relocate important targets to nearby areas, reducing the effectiveness of the strikes. 4. The long-term impact of this decision remains uncertain. The incoming President Trump has criticized the Biden administration's support for Ukraine, which could change this policy. Additionally, whether other allies will provide longer-range weapons, such as the UK's and France's Storm Shadow missiles, is also worth monitoring. In summary, the US allowing Ukraine to use long-range missiles represents a significant escalation in the war, but its actual impact remains to be seen. The long-term trajectory of this decision will also depend on future political dynamics. Briefing: Gavin Wood and the rise of Polkadot. Polkadot, developed by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, has recently shown impressive performance. In the past week, Polkadot's price has risen by 22.6%, reaching a high of $5.33 per coin, marking a new peak since the end of July. This surge is primarily attributed to two factors. 1. The rise in Bitcoin's price has driven a rally across the entire cryptocurrency market. Against this backdrop, Polkadot has also gained additional momentum. 2. Polkadot announced a series of technical updates and application developments at its annual conference, Sub-Zero, attracting investor attention. Key figures like Gavin Wood shared Polkadot's development direction, including efforts to create more user-friendly applications. Although Polkadot's current market capitalization is only $8.1 billion, significantly lower than Bitcoin and Ethereum, analysts believe that as the Polkadot ecosystem continues to mature, particularly in areas like gaming and personal finance, its value is expected to rise further. Led by Gavin Wood, Polkadot is becoming an essential infrastructure for the Web3 era. Here's a briefing about Joseph Lubin. Joseph Lubin is a co-founder of Ethereum and the founder and CEO of ConsenSys. Over the past decade, he has been dedicated to advancing the development and application of blockchain technology. Lubin co-founded Ethereum in 2013, a blockchain-based distributed computing platform. The launch of Ethereum laid the foundation for the future development of blockchain technology, expanding its applications beyond mere digital currency to broader fields such as smart contracts and decentralized applications. In 2014, Lubin founded ConsenSys, a software company focused on building the Ethereum ecosystem. ConsenSys develops various Ethereum-based applications and tools to help businesses and developers better utilize blockchain technology. In recent years, Lubin has been actively promoting the commercial application of blockchain technology. He believes that blockchain technology will fundamentally change many industries, such as finance, supply chain, and identity verification. ConsenSys has established partnerships with numerous well-known companies to explore the commercial value of blockchain technology together. Overall, Joseph Lubin is one of the key figures in the history of blockchain technology development. He not only co-founded Ethereum but also promotes the application of blockchain technology across various fields through ConsenSys, making significant contributions to the future development of this emerging technology. Briefing content: Wu Jihan is the undisputed king of cryptocurrency mining hardware and mining pools. His company, Bitmain, headquartered in Beijing, has reached a valuation of $12 billion following its latest funding round. Wu is a strong supporter of Bitcoin Cash, a controversial fork of Bitcoin. Earlier this year, his company led a $110 million funding round for cryptocurrency startup Circle, the highest-valued cryptocurrency company in the US. Wu mentioned earlier this year in an interview with Fortune magazine that he is interested in stablecoins, price-stable virtual currencies, and plans to diversify Bitmain's business by developing artificial intelligence chips. Smart contracts, reshaping trust and efficiency in the digital age. Briefing highlights: 1. Overview of smart contracts. Smart contracts are automated digital contracts that execute without the need for third-party intermediaries. The core of smart contracts lies in code logic, distributed characteristics deployed on the blockchain, and automatic execution of contracts. 2. Origins and development of smart contracts. The concept of smart contracts was first proposed by computer scientist Nick Szabo in the 1990s. The emergence of blockchain technology provides a secure and reliable foundation for the implementation of smart contracts. 3. Main features of smart contracts. Transparency and trust. Contract terms are public, and the execution process is verifiable. Automation and efficiency. No manual intervention is required, significantly improving transaction efficiency. Cost savings. Reduces intermediary fees and lowers transaction costs. 4. Limitations of smart contracts. Coding complexity. Requires specialized programming knowledge, and coding errors can lead to severe consequences. Lack of flexibility. Once deployed, contracts are difficult to modify and cannot adapt to complex environmental changes. Legal uncertainty. Digital contracts may not align with existing legal frameworks. Data dependency. Contract execution relies on the accuracy of external data sources. 5. Future applications of smart contracts. Financial insurance. Automating processes such as loans and claims. Supply chain management, enhancing transparency and traceability. Government governance, improving voting systems and increasing public service efficiency. In summary, smart contracts are reshaping the mechanisms of trust and transaction models in the digital age, bringing new opportunities and challenges to various industries. In the future, as technology advances and the legal environment improves, smart contracts will play a more significant role, becoming a key force in building a transparent, efficient, and trustworthy society. Briefing. On November 20, 2024, this episode invited renowned Bitcoin expert Andreas M. Antonopoulos to discuss the Ethereum-based play-to-earn game Axie Infinity with hosts Adam B. Levine and Jonathan Mohan, as well as the global metaverse economy it has sparked. Axie Infinity is particularly popular in the Philippines, where many earn real income by purchasing, borrowing, breeding, and trading non-fungible token (NFT) characters called Axies, with some even quitting their jobs as a result. This scholar program and lending model has sparked ethical discussions about outsourcing work and geographic opportunity inequality. On one hand, it provides locals with income opportunities far exceeding local economic levels. On the other hand, it can be seen as wealthy countries exporting low-wage jobs to vulnerable groups. Additionally, the program explored the historical evolution of Bitcoin's transition from currency to commodity. Early retail adoption trends were hampered by IRS tax policies, leading people to prefer HODL, holding Bitcoin. However, with the development of second-layer technologies like the Lightning Network, experiments of Bitcoin as legal tender, such as in El Salvador, are becoming more feasible and pragmatic. Will more closed ecosystems based on Bitcoin emerge in the future? In summary, this episode delved into the emerging play-to-earn model of Axie Infinity and the evolution of Bitcoin's currency attributes, providing valuable insights into the future development of the digital economy.